my officials, welcome back to Vlogmas day 10. This is Vlogmas day 10. This is the 10th of December, I think. So welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I'm not really doing anything in reference to my Vlogmas. I'm actually going to weave my hair. So I am going to share with you guys how my hair is looking. This is how short my hair is, and we are going to plait up. I'm gonna plait myself up, and then I'm just gonna weave my hair in the mirror. I'm in my bathroom because my bathroom has the perfect lighting. And today I am working with Love Me. Let me go get the weave. So today I'm working with Love Me, and Love Me sent me over, as you guys have seen in the previous video, they sent me over two 16 inches, one 18 inch and a 20 inch. No closure because it's a weave. I'm going to attempt to braid my hair myself, so I'm probably going to speed through some parts of this DIY. I'm doing all of this myself. So without all of that being said, I am going to, so the first thing that you're going to need if you're going to do this on your own, if you have long hair, then it should be very, very easy for you. But if you have short hair like me, then it's going to be a struggle. If you can get someone to braid your hair, that will be perfect. But for now, the first thing that you're gonna need is a comb, because what we're gonna do, I'm doing a middle part. So basically I'm just gonna part my hair, and if I'm looking this way is because this is where my mirror is. But I'm basically just gonna part my hair in the middle. Basically I'm trying to figure out how deep, or how, yeah, basically how deep I want my middle part to go. And for me, I want my middle part to be a little bit deep because I find it to be a little bit more realistic. Like, you know, it's more realistic if my middle part is a little bit deeper. And I'm just gonna do a V because I'm doing minimal leave out. I personally do not want a lot of leave out. Reason being because my hair is pretty short. And because my hair is short, I really don't want a lot of leave out. So we are gonna just clamp this on this side, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side. And it doesn't have to be a straight part or anything like that. It doesn't necessarily need to be perfect, and one side may be bigger than the other, and I think that that's quite fine. Don't worry too much about it. I think once the middle part is in the middle where you'd be able to part in the middle, that's all that you realistically need. So that is basically what I'm doing, and as you guys can see, it's just more of like a V shaped is what I was going for, because that's just how I want to do it. And I'm just going to, before I braid this down, just gonna braid that out like so. I'm also going to leave some in the front. Reason being is because, you know, if your hair blows back or anything like that, if you don't want, you do not necessarily have to have all this as leave out. It's not needed. It's just up to you and what type of hair braid, you know, what you want from your weave. So this is basically how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna do the same thing in the back. I'm going to take a little bit out from the back, just for my own purposes. So this is basically what I'm gonna leave out in the back. And again, it doesn't necessarily need to be straightened or anything like that. And then we're just gonna braid this part, and I'm gonna share with you guys quickly how I braid my hair. Now we're gonna braid the middle of the hair.
And now basically what I'm doing here, I am simply just using the thread to hold down the ends, the pieces that I have for the braid. That would help it not unravel. Because my hair is so short, I really truly had to do this. And on top of that, I also took a net and basically sewed the net onto my existing braiding pattern, just so that I have something to braid the hair on, and also so that it stays correctly, because you want to make sure that when you sew on the weft, that the weft is going to stay. And in this bit, I also this is basically me doing the weaving process. I started with the 20 inches and just basically, I hope you guys can see how I am weaving the weft, but just basically looping it, if that makes any sort of sense. This is the way that I normally weave my hair, and it allows me to keep it. And you just have to keep on touching it to make sure that when you're double weaving it, you're not weaving it and the bottom of the end is falling off. You want to make sure that the thread is holding on to the two wefts to make sure that they are secure. And ever so often throughout the weaving process, you'll see me touch on the weft a lot, and you'll also see me tug on it a lot. Well, throughout what you've seen, is because I want to make sure that it is secure, and there are no, because I double wefted, I want to make sure that the piece underneath is also sewn on and it's secured as well. So you just have to be mindful of those little small details if you're going to weave your hair yourself. And again, I am not a professional, so please do not come for me. This is what I do to get the results that I like.
Hey y'all, so I'm basically done with my weave. This is how it is looking. It's very full, and this is how the back is looking. As you guys can see, it's not very spaced out or anything. I feel like I did a good job. Can go up if I want to, just a little bit. I wouldn't necessarily put it up too much, but there's a little bit of hair in the back. But I did use about 3.5 bundles. I still have a good bit of bundles leave back. I think I did a good job. I'm excited because I'm excited to style it, but I'm gonna go to bed and wake up in the morning and style it, because I'm not in the mood to style it tonight. So I'm probably gonna try to wrap it and then style it in the morning. But this is basically how it is going to be looking. My hair needs to flat iron. It's been needing to flat iron. I find that it's very flat. You guys can let me know in the comments. I am going to style it, so you guys will see me style it, but for right now I'm just gonna go to bed. The hair does not shed or anything like that. I really oh, I'm falling down. I really like the hair. I can't wait to flat iron it though, and probably see how it flat irons, see how it curls, see if it even keeps a curl. What I like about it is that it's literally already layered, so I don't have a lot of shaping to do in the front the hair, but I will definitely be sharing that process with you guys. But I am going to tie my hair down. I'm not gonna wrap it, I'm just gonna tie my hair down, and then tomorrow we are going to flat iron it and style it. So this is basically what my vlogmas looks like. This is basically what I did today, and I need to complete it tomorrow. So, and I also need to post this video. So we're gonna style it in the morning or in the afternoon or even in the evening before I post this video, and we're gonna do a little sit down chit chat as to the specs and what I like about the hair. So I will see you guys then. So yeah, talk to you guys then. Bye. And Christmas is my favorite time. And Christmas is my favorite time. Hey guys, good morning. I just wanted to come on and share with you guys the final product of my bundles, and this is basically how it looks. I really do like it. I think I did a pretty good job. I will try to insert a video or something of my hair curled and all of that so you guys can see how it looks when it's curled. It's very full, and that is basically what I was truly going for in regards to the hair. That's why I forced in 3.5 bundles. So yeah, so that's basically it. I just want to thank Love Me for sending me over these bundles. And if it is that you guys are in the market and you're looking for bundles, because bundles were so hard for me to find, like especially affordable ones. So if you're in the market and you're looking for bundles, just head over to Love Me. I will leave all of the information linked in my description box below, their website, the bundles that they sent me, and if there's any discount or coupon code that you guys can use. The hair does not shed at all. As you guys could see, I could just run my hands through it. I did dye it, and I think I'm gonna wash it again because it's very, very silky. So if you're someone that likes like the silky texture, it's very, very, very silky. What else? What other specs? Oh, I did cut the wefts on the top because I was lazy and it was just easier for me to do. So ever so often when I had originally did it in the night, I did see this morning some shedding from the root, but I feel like that's not the problem for me because I haven't seen any shedding other than that now that I've curled it, flat ironed it, and stuff like that. So that is a plus for me. So yeah, so that is basically it. That's all the specs that I have. I hope I did not leave anything out. Again, you guys will see how this hair holds up if you continue to follow me on Vlogmas and you continue to follow me into next year, because I do plan to leave this into the new year. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel and you made it to the end of this video, please subscribe to my channel. It really will help me out a lot. And for all of my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for the comments. Just thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So I'm tired, guys, like I am so tired, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.